Do you guys remember how to copy angles in grade 7, compass and ruler constructions with copying angles? If I wanted to copy an angle, let's say I had an angle here, like that. I wanted to copy that exactly. Let's just measure it with the protractor. It is 25 degrees exactly. Look at that, 25 degrees. If I wanted to copy this just using a compass and ruler, I copy the line like that. Then I take my compass, I put the point on the vertex. The vertex is the pointy part of the angle, the business end of the angle. I adjust it so that point goes on the vertex, and I'm gonna draw an arc that's gonna pass through the two legs of the angle. And then I'm gonna go down here and copy that arc, like that. I'm going to put the point where the arc crossed one leg and put the pencil where the arc crossed the other leg and make an arc, like that. And then just make an arc, like that. And then go down here, put the point where the arc crossed the line that I drew and make the same arc. I'm going to join up the beginning. I'll just use my straight edge here. I'm just going to join up the beginning of my line and where those two arcs crossed, and that will give me the exact same angle. See how the angle is exactly the same? If I measure it, it'll be 25. 25, look at that. 25 degrees. That's how you copy an angle. We can use that to make our fraction. Let's go with 3/8. I'm going to make my number line. I'll go to my centimeters. On your piece of paper, you would probably just go to 10 centimeters. I just want to make it big so you guys can see it. So I'm going to go all the way over up to 200 millimeters or 20 centimeters. My 0, 0.1, 0.2.
This is 0.1, 0.2, you don't have to label them all. 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, you should label the 0.5. 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9.
1, 3/8, right? 3 on 8. I'm just going to pick any angle because I'm going to use copying angle technology. And I want to get to the 8 somewhere around where my 1 is. If I go up by centimeters, it's not going to work. If I go up by 2 centimeters, that's going to give me 16. Maybe if I went up by 3 centimeters, that would give me 24. That's way out there. I'm going to try inches and go up by, if I went up to 8 inches, 5, 4. Here's my 3/8. 2 and 1. This is my 8/8, which corresponds to the 1. I'm just going to draw a line from my 8/8 to my 1. That corresponds. I want to copy this angle. I can use my protractor and measure it, but let's say I didn't have a protractor and I just want to copy that angle. I'm just going to make an arc like this. Make it a little bit bigger. I'll make it, yeah, about that big. Then I'm going to go to my 3/8 and make the same arc. Like that. I'm going to measure the distance across the angle. Like this. And make a little arc. And then I'm going to go over here and do the same. And make a little arc. Where those two arcs cross, that is going to allow me to copy my angle. So I'm just going to go like that. Works better if you have a really sharp pencil. My 3/8 is right here. Now let's look at 3/8 on the calculator and see if our number line agrees. Because this is 0.3, 0.3. This is 0.4, 0.4. This is 0.35. So this looks like almost like 0.375 on 3 divided by 8 is 0.375. 0.375.